Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about Sounhound AI. I have my eyes on Sounhound now that we are finally getting a dip. Another thing to keep in mind is today is NVIDIA earnings. That might determine our move for the market as a whole. That aside, though, if we just stick to the technicals here, because they don't really drop many headlines, unfortunately. The only thing we know is that they did raise guidance full year, so they expect actually more growth quarter over quarter, which of course would lead to the bigger numbers full year. So as of right now, we don't have earnings for Soundhound anytime soon. What I do know is we're about to get the MACD cross under. Last time that happened, we have quite a bit of a move to the downside. The RSI has not cooled down yet. We need it to come down to at least in the 30s range. And the last time it was down there, it was at this demand, this support down here. Our biggest support is going to be under $4. That is where I am looking to load up for the next move back to $5 plus. So that is what I'm watching out for. This is, again, it's a slow mover. It takes forever to get anywhere without a catalyst. They're not the kind of company that drops hot PRs every now and then. It takes, the only reason it even moved like this was because Nvidia was like, hey, we invested in this. That's about it. Other than that, it takes quite a while for this to get that next big 30, 50, 100% or plus move. They really would have to be on top of their PRs, dropping some good headlines to get this moving. Other than that, I would say if we're just going to stick to the technicals, since they don't really drop many PRs, wait for under $4 and accumulate down here. And that is it for the video. Short, sweet, and to the point. I don't really have much else to say. Look, AI is the future. I believe AI stocks right now are, keep an eye on the winners. Keep an eye on the ones whose revenues are growing. Keep an eye on them earnings after earnings and see how they're doing. And those are the ones that are doing well. Those are the ones that you're going to see eventually be worth more than where they're at right now. BBAI is a perfect example of a stock that, even though it's near a bottom, its revenues have been going down year over year. So, do you really want to put your money into something like BBAI, which, sure, I get it, but its revenues are going down, not up. So there's a disconnect there. Like, why would you want to invest in something that just keeps it's not even growing its revenues? So overall, I believe Soundhound right now is the way to go. Wait for the dip, wait for the bottom down here. And that is it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next Soundhound update.